Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi driver missing on Windows 11. So the first thing that you need to do is to actually click on the start menu and search for device manager. You need to open it, and from here you will see all the drivers for everything in your PC. So you need to click on the network adapters. After that, if you don't find your driver from here, you will have more than one thing to do. First thing you can do is to right click on the network adapters and click on scan for hardware changes. So sometimes this will actually pop up your driver from here. Also you can click on action and click on scan for hardware changes instead. So the next thing that you can do to view your network or Wi-Fi driver is to actually click on view and click on show hidden devices. Sometimes your driver will be here. And if that doesn't actually work with you, the last thing that you can do is to actually just open the settings, search for settings app from here, and open it. After that, you need to go to network and internet, and you need to scroll down till you see advanced network settings. Now from here you will find network reset option, and you need to hit on reset now. Hit on yes, and now your Wi-Fi driver will pop up. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.